students, welcome back. Let's continue with Unit 10, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. Today we will see the preparation of haloarenes. Haloarenes can be prepared from aromatic hydrocarbon from diazonium salts. So firstly we will see how haloarenes can be prepared from aromatic hydrocarbons. By direct halogenation. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene can be formed by chlorination and bromination respectively. Firstly we will see chlorination of benzene. We will take benzene, reacts with chlorine. This reaction or this method is generally carried out in the absence of sunlight and at low temperature and in the presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 at 310 to 320 Kelvin temperature. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene will form. If we will take excess of chlorine here, so another atom of chlorine is introduced in the ring. So we will get dichlorobenzene. See how? Cl2 in excess. Ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. We will get the mixture of ortho and para dichlorobenzene. This is para dichlorobenzene. Here Cl atom is ortho and para directing in nature. That's why we get the mixture of ortho and para dichlorobenzene. Here ortho dichlorobenzene is the minor product and this is the para is the major product. Similarly, if we want to prepare bromobenzene, so bromination will takes place like this. We will see bromination. Benzene reacts with bromine in the presence of FeBr3 or anhydrous AlCl3, then Br bromo. If excess of bromine we will take ortho dibromo. Dibromobenzene and para dibromobenzene. Here also para is the major product. So this is bromination. If we will take the example of toluene So how chlorination of toluene occurs? See, this is toluene when reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, we will get the mixture of ortho and para isomers. This is ortho chlorotoluene plus this is parachlorotoluene. CH3 group is ortho and para directing in nature, and we will get the mixture of ortho and para chlorotoluene. Here ortho chlorotoluene is the minor product and this is the major product. Para is the major product. This is also carried out in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3 as well as in the absence of sunlight. Similarly, if we want to do bromination, same, we will react it with bromine. We will get ortho bromotoluene and para bromotoluene. Here also orthobromotoluene is the minor product and parabromotoluene is the major product. If we will talk about the iodination of aromatic hydrocarbon. So iodination of aromatic hydrocarbon is not easier. It is reversible in nature. That reaction can be possible only in the presence of oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents like which one? Iodination. Iodination is possible only in the presence of oxidizing agents like nitric acid, iodic acid and mercuric oxide. If we will use these oxidizing agents, they will oxidize the HI produced during the reaction and the reaction will not be reversible. And fluorination is not possible due to high reactivity of fluorine. Now we will see the next preparation of haloarenes from diazonium salt. In diazonium salt, first Sandmeyer's reaction. In Sandmeyer reaction, first we will take aniline is dissolved in HCl and treated with sodium nitrite at temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. So benzene diazonium salt will form. Here we have taken chlorine, HCl, so benzene diazonium chloride is formed. This is benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous chloride in the presence of HCl. So chlorobenzene will form. Similarly, if we want to prepare bromobenzene, we will use CuBr here, plus bromide in presence of HBr. This will be only benzene diazonium chloride. This is bromobenzene. Now, if we want to prepare iodobenzene, so iodobenzene can be prepared from benzene diazonium salt, diazonium chloride, only in the presence of Ki at room temperature. Benzene will form. This is preparation of iodobenzene. Iodobenzene can be prepared in the presence of only potassium iodide. This is the preparation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. Now next preparation is by Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction is the modification of Sandmeyer reaction. Second one is Gattermann reaction. In Gattermann reaction, we will take benzene diazonium chloride reacts with copper powder dissolved in HCl to form chlorobenzene. Instead of cuprous chloride, we will take here copper powder. So chlorobenzene will form in this Gattermann reaction. Now we will see the last preparation, that is the preparation of fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene can be prepared from the method known as Ball-Scheinman reaction. In this, aniline reacts with sodium nitrite in the presence of fluor at 273 to 278 Kelvin. We will get benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, which on heating produces fluorobenzene and boron trifluoride. This is the only method of preparation of fluorobenzene. Now it is time for homework. Homework. In text question, (10.2 to 10.5 of NCERT book and preparation of halo alkanes and halo arenes. haloarenes. You have to write the method of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes in your copy, as well as you have to solve the question number 10.2 to 10.5 of NCERT book. In my next video I will come with your next topic, physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Till that, bye.